Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm showing you an easy way how you can add text to your 3D objects. Maybe you are using Fusion 360 or other CAD softwares, but with Bamboo Studio, you will be amazed how easy you can do this. So open Bamboo Studio, load your STL file, click on it to set it active, and press Text Shape. Type in your text you want to have on the object. You can choose a font and set the size of the text. Play with boldness if you want your text thicker, or there is a skew if you want to bend the text. With the Rotate tool, you can rotate the text how you want to see it on the shape. With the cube at the center, you can drag the text. And here comes the magic. You can choose an operation. If you choose Part, the text will stand out from the shape. At the Process tab, go to Objects, where you can choose the text to highlight it. You can set the height of the text as you want the end result. As you can see, the text is now on the shape. Let's change the color to make it look better and stand out from the shape. Now let's see the modes. If you pull the text to a round area, it looks weird, right? How about now? Amazing! The text pulls on the shape's design. You can pull wherever you like, the text will follow the shape. Now let's pull it back to the top and check the next one called Cut. If you choose Cut, the text with the thickness will be cut out from the shape. It is simple as it sounds. Let's see the sliced format and you will have a visual on that too. As you can see, the text got cut out from the shape. There is a lot of opportunity in this too. Okay, hope you got this. Now the third one called Modifier. This can be really hard on other designing tools, but not on this one. This puts the text inside the shape, but in the same level of the shape's surface. If you are using a 0.2 layer height, I recommend you to use at least 3 layers, but I don't think you need more of that. If you set more, it will be the same, but your printer needs to change the colors at printing more than it should. That means more time, more filament, more poops. This way, the color change is only 4 times. Now let's test a not that easy shape. How does the software handles a sphere? The process is the same. Select the object and press the Text Shape button. Enter your text and orient it where you want to use it. Now the part operation, thickness, the modes, and let's change the text color. The text is on the shape now. It's looking great. Now let's try the cut. You have to slice the object to see what's going on here. And if we go down on the layers, we can see that the text is cut from the shape with the pre-given thickness. And now the third one, the modifier. I use my number again and let's slice it. And if we go down on the layers, the other color is in the shape with the thickness. We can say that this tool is just awesome. If you know a better way to do this, please tell me. I will show you now how do they look like out from the printer. This is the modifier. And this is the end result. With only 3 layers, the color is great and no transparency. Look at that. Perfect. This is the cut. Looks great. And finally, the part operation.